My name's Vicky and I'm a lecturer on the T-Level Management and Administration course. The T-Level Business Management and Administration course is an option for you after your GCSEs. You need your English and Maths above a grade 4 to be able to come on the course, and best to think of it as a reverse apprenticeship. So you have 4 days at college and 1 day in an industry placement, and that's a compulsory part of the course. Everything we study is all about business, whether that's the people in the business, the finance behind the business, or the important things like the quality and the compliance. The other thing to remember for T-Level is that it's all about your skills. It's about preparing you for the workplace. So whether that's helping you problem solve, become more curious, critically think, whether it's about collaborating with your peers as you would in the workplace. These are all the skills that we will work on during your T-Level Management and Administration course. The assessment is exams in year 1, but also a big project too. So overall, the exams only account for about 35% of your grade. Now, why would you study T-Level rather than A-Level? It is the equivalent of 3 A-Levels, but it's not 100% exam. And also, if you go to an employer and you give them some experience of a workplace, then they're more likely to employ you than someone that just has academic experience. You can go to university with a T-Level, you can do an apprenticeship, or you can simply go into the workplace. There's lots of opportunities for you. I hope that you like what you've heard about the T-Level. We'd love to see you on the course. You can register on the college website under the course Business Management and Administration T-Level. Thank you very much for your time today. I hope to see you in September. My name's Vicky. I hope we meet again soon.